everybody, this is Igor Lumertz here at PCH Dent Repair, and I want to show you a little bit of what is PDR, what is Paintless Dent Removal. Paintless dent removal is the process of removing dents out of your vehicle without using any painting. We use metal rods to reach from the back side of the panel and slowly massage and push the dent out to its original shape. That's a whale tail used for under the braces when there is no access. That's a dent being pushed out. You can see there's a lot of pushes. Paintless dent removal has a lot of benefits to your vehicle. You can keep the original painting, which is really good. There's no Carfax report, and you keep the value of your vehicle up. Keep it perfect, clean. That's a dent almost done right there. You can see it's 100%, really nice repair. That's a huge dent. We told the customer that we might not be able to get it 100%. We took the challenge and we got it up to about 85%. The customer was really happy. We kept his original painting, the body shop quote to replace the roof, so we did a really good job right there. That's a body line repair dent, and that one came out really nice to 100%, as you can see right there. Really nice clean work. And right here I'm gonna show you, this is a crease. We also do those type of dents. This is a dent on the body line, really sharp one, really tough. This is a bumper repair. We can do those when there is no scratches, no paint damage. This is a dent on the roof rail. We have to use glue pull technique because there is no access there. That's a glue tab with glue. We're gonna pull it up, and the dent is up right now. I have it to tap it down with my knockdown, and that's the finished product right there. Real clean, flat again. Original shape, original painting. That's a blending technique. You can see by using the hammer and hitting and displacing the metal around the dent, spreading the metal around, you can see the dent starts to disappear little by little. By moving the metal around the dent, we can make it flat again. We use that technique usually when we cannot glue pull and the roof rail has been painted before, so we don't want to pull paint. That's when we use a blending technique, or when the dents are really small. Thanks for watching.